What's up, guys? Silvio Rodriguez of the Jack Smith Group here. I have the honor of showing you this credible new listing in the heart of Allendale Terrace, 3635 Haines Road North. This place is incredible. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. You got a brand new roof. You got a Wi-Fi water heater. I don't even know what that means, but I'll figure it out. And also you're close to Target. You know, I know you ladies, you love Target. Go to Target, guess what? There's iced coffee at the Target because there's a Starbucks in the Target. This place has it all. Come on.